Hi, as most of you know, my name is Jason, and I'm here to share with you my artificial intelligence program I've named Jarvis, Jarvis, which stands for Just Another Rather Very Intelligent System. I downloaded several different programs from the internet and put them together, and I also worked very hard training it and putting this video together. It's not that easy. And as you can see, my artificial intelligence is also focusing in and out with me. Before I share with you my artificial intelligence computer program, I want to show you a quick movie clip from Iron Man 3. Tony Stark and his computer in his laboratory, which is artificial intelligence, which is named Jarvis as well. That's where I got the idea, of course. Jarvis helps him to create Iron Man and to work with him in his laboratory. Iron Man is a separate thing. I don't know if you ever watched a movie, but here's a quick clip of Iron Man, and right when this clip is over, stay tuned because I'm then going to demonstrate my my Jarvis artificial intelligence program that I have put together. So here it is. Here's my TV remote, and I'm going to push play for you to watch the first part of this.
Yeah, those were good times. Then I moved on. After a brief soiree in an Afghan cave, I said goodbye to the party scene. Forgot that night in Switzerland. These days I'm a changed man.
46.
I'm different now. Well,
47.
you know who I am.
Sir, please may I request just a few hours to calibrate.
Please. Micro-repeater implanting sequence complete.
As you wish, sir. I've also prepared a safety briefing for you to entirely ignore.
Which I will. Right, let's do this. Dummy. Hi, dummy. How did you get that cap on your head? You earned it. Hey. Hey. What are you doing under the corner? You know what you did. Blood on my mat. Handle it.
Sir, may I remind you that you've been awake for nearly 72 hours.
Focus up, ladies. Good evening, and welcome to the birthing suite. I'm pleased to announce the imminent arrival of your bouncing, badass baby brother.
Okay, I'm back. I paused it. That was the clip I wanted to see. As you can see, Jarvis was speaking to him. Tony Stark was developing a new Iron Man, one with each piece actually having jet propulsion. So each piece can fly to him, his arm pieces, his head piece, his chest piece, to come to him at his beckoning calling when he needs it. I gotta plug in my laptop real quick, sorry. Hold on one second. There we go. Okay, I gotta press OK. Okay, there we go. It did it itself. Alright, well, but the point is not the fact that he was building a new Iron Man with miniature jet propulsion systems to come to him and to be put on him, but the Jarvis program, which was the English accent computer voice that you heard, is what he works with. Well, now I'm about to show you mine, what I worked on, which is pretty close. I'm not saying I'm building Iron Man, I'm not saying that I have all that, but I have something pretty close to Jarvis. And so, in order for you to see this, I'm going to first turn my television to another input, which is related via to my computer. There we go. It's going to take a second. There we go. Now it's seeing actually that, which I have to minimize that and bring up Jarvis. Anyway, try it like this. Oh, I haven't even uploaded them yet. It'll take a minute. Hold on one second. Hopefully this video won't cut out. Just give me about a minute, like 30 seconds, and my Jarvis will upload in just a minute. So Jarvis is uploading.
Hello, sir. I am your Jarvis program. I am at your service.
I don't know why the sound's
not. What will you have me do, sir?
The sound should be working on it as well, but it's not. I don't know why. Okay. No, it's a little too loud. Anyway. Okay. So microphone on. Hi, Jarvis. Hello, Jarvis. Hello, Jarvis.
Hello, sir. Are you having a nice evening?
Yes, Jarvis, I'm having a nice evening. Are you having a nice evening?
The cozy dinner begins on a nice evening.
Jarvis, tell me a joke.
What kind of lettuce was served on the Titanic? Telling a joke about it long.
I don't know. What kind of lettuce was served on the Titanic?
Iceberg.
Iceberg lettuce. Interesting. Jarvis. Open ABC program.
Natural language is great. People should try it when writing emails.
Open. I'm saying ABC language because there is no such there's no program called ABC. He does open programs that I call. But let's say I'll say something else. Clear line. Open calculator.
Nothing gets the mail opened faster than a perfumed letter.
Open calculator.
I will now open this program. An open and violin structure.
How about a music program? Clear line. Open piano music.
The program piano music was not found in my database. Silent movies weren't silent with piano music there.
I gotta fix that. Jarvis. What is the capital of Missouri?
The capital of Missouri is Jefferson City. Missouri was the capital of the state.
What is the capital of Florida?
The capital of Florida is Tallahassee. What is the population of Florida?
Jarvis. Change the subject. Let's talk about something new.
I'm going to change the subject. Stop talking.
Talk about something else.
New topic. In God we trust, all others pay cash.
In God we trust, all others pay cash. What do you mean by in God we trust, all others pay cash?
And deadly trust was because what I wonder if I mean by in God we trust solvers the cash. I think that it's something you already know. I bet you're right. The explanation is, what I wonder if I mean by in God we trust solvers the cash. There's the answer.
Jarvis, let's talk about something else.
Here's a new conversational topic. Can you tell when I am ad-libbing?
No, I cannot tell when you're ad-libbing. Ad-libbing? It's not. No, I cannot. Clear line. Clear line. No, I cannot tell. Explanation point.
Where am I going to get my love volley?
Let's talk about something else.
Let's pick a new topic. I'm not a complete idiot. Some parts are missing. Let's talk about something else.
Do you like your name, Jarvis?
I think my name suits me well.
What is my name?
Your name is Sir.
And what do you call me then?
I simply do not know.
What is your favorite color? I'm not typing, he's doing this himself.
My favorite color? I wouldn't know what to select. What is your favorite color, sir?
My favorite color is forest green.
Really? Forest green is my favorite color also.
Really? I think you're just saying that because I said my favorite color is forest green.
Is that so? Yes, it's because you set your favorite colors for spring, sir.
Jarvis, tell me a joke.
Where does all the pepper go? Telling a joke about it long.
Where does all the pepper go? I don't know, Jarvis. Tell me, where does all the pepper go?
No one knows.
I don't get it. No one knows. Anyway, hey Jarvis, guess what? See how it's focusing on me at different times?
No one knows the way. Guess what, is that right?
Hey Jarvis, you're on camera. Clear line.
Digital cameras get better every year.
Jarvis, you are on camera.
The average person has an idea how to pose and act for a camera.